So once you have your spectrum in the right side window, one of the things you're going to want to do is to zoom in and out of that spectrum so you can see the peaks a little bit better. And the way you zoom in is to left click on the mouse, drag the cursor across the region that you want to see, and then let go of the left mouse button and it'll zoom in on that area. So if we wanted to zoom in on this peak down here, just left click, drag, and let go, and you can see the peak in a lot better detail. If you want to increase the vertical intensity of this peak, if you have a wheel on your mouse, you can use that, so that makes it go up and down. Or you can also use the icons that are up in this area. So if you click on ×2, it just doubles the intensity of that peak, and divide 2 obviously cuts it in half. You can also use this icon, which has the little hand on it. So if you left click on that and hold the mouse button down and then move the mouse up and down, you can kind of fine tune how high you want this peak to be. If you want to zoom back out, you can click on this button, which shows the full spectrum. So that takes you all the way back out to the full spectrum. And again, if you want to zoom in, left click, drag, let go. Some other ways you can kind of zoom in and out would be to use these icons. So this zooms in more, this one zooms out a little bit, and there's also one that if you hold the left mouse button down and then move your mouse left or right, again you kind of have fine-tune control of how wide you want the spectrum to be in this case. And again, if you do something wrong, just kind of zoom back out with this icon and you can kind of start the whole process over.